Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Photon Academy. My name is Harshwat, and today we are going to discuss about categorized data in DataView in Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is an analytical software that will help you in understanding your data set through various visualization in different data models. Now let us go further and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. So in this video particularly we will talk about 2 points. In the first point we will tell you why categorization is required, and in the second point we will clear how to categorize the data in DataView in Power BI Desktop. Now to understand all this concept we have to go into the Power BI Desktop. So let's go into a Power BI Desktop itself. Now we are in Power BI Desktop in Data Model Interface. If you want to learn more about this interface, you can go to my previous video and see how does this interface interact. Now let's get back to the question of this video about the categorization of data and why it is important. Like we have already covered the DAX expression, data analytical expression. Now to understand the categorization, we must go into the data view. There are three views in the data model interface. First is report view where you see a visualization. In a data view, you will see a tables, and in the relationship view or model view you can say you can create a relationship in between the tables. Now we firstly go into the data model interface. So first of all you have to look into a data that where categorization is required. Like in here if you see the categorization doesn't make that much of sense. Now if we go into the dim region in our table, which is a dim region, that is dimension region table, there are two columns, that is location and region name. Now if you look into the location, when I click on it you will see in a column tools the data type is text. That's all right. Now if you will also see text, that is also all right. But when you go into the properties and see data category uncategorized, then that's a problem, because as I've already told you, Power BI Desktop is a very much good software to understand all the concept in itself, but certainly sometime it's need you to define certain things. Like if it is a concept in a location, you can see it's a country specific, not anything else. It's not a text that is normal like other text. It is a country specific data. So how to categorize that data is also very important in Power BI Desktop, because if you define this category in a country specific, then Power BI Desktop will help you in creating a visualization according to country specific data. That is very much of the essence that is required in a Power BI Desktop to create a visualization. So the data type is text, that is alright. Again the format is text, that is also alright. Now we have to change the data category. As I've already told you, you have to define the Power BI Desktop category to know what it is. So we again click on data category, you will see there are options that opens up. Now it is not a county, it is a country. Again click on a country, so the data category will be changed into a country. Now you can see that data category is now country for the location. Now we will repeat the same procedure for the region name, but it is different. You can see it's a continent, it's not a country. Again you will see the data type text, format is also text, but the data category is uncategorized, which is not according to us because the region name is continent, but Power BI Desktop doesn't detect it. So you have to categorize that, which will help you in visualization as I've already previously told you. So again we go into the data category, click on it, you will see a continent option. Again click on continent. So this is how you will categorize your data in Power BI Desktop, and this categorization will surely give you a much upper hand in visualization. To understand that part of visualization, you have to follow my future videos. So with this point, I am going to end this video, and I hope your queries got cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helps you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.